One of the main objectives of landfilling garbage is to protect basically the surrounding areas and to protect our sources of water. In order to protect our waters from contamination from solid waste, we rely mainly on our liner system. So basically what the landfill does is we create a giant storage container. When the landfill is built, this model illustrates the thickness and the protection layer that we have at the landfill to protect groundwater from being contaminated. So first we start out with basically a virgin material, virgin ground material. We put a horizontal pipe in the ground. We call it our groundwater suppression, and it's not present on this. And basically what that does is any groundwater underneath our liner system, it drains it out. So there's no head pressure or bottom pressure being pushed up on the landfill liner system. Above that, we have a clay material. Clay material is basically the most essential part of the liner system. They use a very fine gray glacial till. It is screened down to 1 × 10⁻⁷. And they take this material, they wet it down and compact it into layers to produce basically an impermeable surface. Above that clay system, we get into what we call our secondary liner system. We use an HDPE liner. It is a 6 mil plastic liner that is extremely durable. You can see how thick this liner material is. These come in large rolls which are welded together and they're stretched out, and basically that's what creates an impermeable surface. So this is our secondary liner system. Above that we run a drainage pipe. This is our secondary leachate containment pipe. We take this, any water that's produced within our secondary layer is drained out and put back into our leachate collection system. The water from this is all tested quarterly to make sure that nothing is leaking. And then above this we have another layer of our clay soil structural fill, and then our second liner. All landfills are a dual liner system, so we have another layer of our liner system, and then we have what we basically call our primary liner collection system and our primary pipe. These pipes run horizontally throughout the landfill to collect any water that basically is either produced or comes in contact with the solid waste in what we call leachate. And this water is basically transferred down into our system and is sent out for treatment. And like I said, this is the thickness of our liner system, and basically in which we encapsulate the garbage with to keep it groundwater from being contaminated.